The successful conduct of our election last year is heralded undoubtedly the most promising era in Fijian history. As I keep saying, this is the best time to be a Fijian. So we are very lucky here. For the first time, we have a genuine democracy with equality and opportunity for all. We all have the protection of a constitution that has been lauded around the world, not only for civil and political rights protection, but the social and economic rights it has given us. We are all Fijians now for the first time, and the central ethos of my government is to deliver and to serve. To finally give the Fijian people the services they have a right to expect. Free education, better access to higher learning, better and affordable access to medical services, electricity and water, telecommunications, the internet, and so on. All those things previous governments promised but did not deliver. Our economy is thriving, as you all continuously hear, especially this evening, growing at 4% or more each year for the past 3 years. Indeed, we are currently enjoying the most sustained period of growth in our entire history since independence.